I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off and disable the Now Playing feature on your Google Pixel. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Display and Touch. Step 3. Navigate to the Lock Display section and then tap Lock Screen. The associated menu opens. Step 4. Scroll down to the What to Show section and then tap Now Playing in this list of options. Step 5. Tap to toggle off Identify Songs Playing Nearby. The Now Playing feature will be turned off and disabled on your Google Pixel going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.